Today in this video I will show you how you can draw a realistic puppy step-by-step tutorial.
I am using my all-time favorite graphite pencils of Artline. You can find these in any stationery shop near your house. For making this drawing you will need 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B pencil of Artline. I have made the outline of this puppy with the help of the grid method. Then we will mask the drawing with the help of the tape to get sharp and crispy edges. This is 2B pencil. First we will fill up the parts of the puppy with the help of the lighter shade. I am using this tiny screwdriver as an indenting tool, or you can easily find an empty pen in your house and use it as an indenting stylus. Now we will make the lines of the hairs of the puppy with the help of the pen to make it more realistic. I am using 4B pencil to add darker shades in my drawing. If you are wondering that what I am doing here, I am just indenting the hair parts of the puppy. I am using a soft camlin charcoal pencil. But it didn't work upon graphite. As you know that charcoal cannot be used upon graphite, so don't try it.
Follow me on Instagram to get the latest update of the drawings which I am making.
Don't forget to write your signature on your drawing. Now start removing the tape from your drawing very slowly to reveal the sharp and crispy edges. Now it's the time to do highlights.